Hi, so today I'm going to be going over the app Storytime. Storytime is an app that allows you to read stories with a child over video chat, similar to FaceTime, but you're able to see both faces on the screen, and the book that you're reading is at the bottom of the screen. And as you're reading, you can swipe through the pages, and they will change on the child's screen too, so you don't have to worry about the child having to swipe through as you go along. There's over 250 books available on the app as of now, and it's great for grandparents or parents who travel to minimize the stress from a long-distance relationship. As soon as you sign up for an account, the three little pigs will pop up for free, and you can choose to add that book to your book list or not to. It's very simple. You can go into the bookstore and see the many different options that the app has for stories to choose. Some are free, some cost, it varies. If you select the two orange people up in the left-hand corner, you can go to Add a Family. And this appears, so it's grown-ups only. You have to tap and swipe downwards with your two fingers. And I think this is a great feature to have because you don't have to worry about your child getting into your phone or being on the app and adding more contacts from your phone without your approval. So you can add contacts manually or from your iPad or iPhone, and then they're on there for your child to call. This is what the story looks like on the screen. It's visually pleasing, I think, and it's very easy to read. When you tap, the little finger icon in the right-hand corner comes up, so it's more realistic. Here's another page. And then this is what your face looks like on the screen. This is what it all looks like when it comes together in the end. Your child is able to see you or your grandchild, and they can enjoy a story with you.